Ooh, wonder what that is. I wonder what that is. Ooh, says it's mine. Yay, I get a parcel to open. Let's go and open it. Let's go and make something. Already know what that is. That's the bill. So, what have we got here? That is a pain in the ass. Yeah, to be honest, I actually know what it is, so yeah. Made a good intro. Good intro. Parts list. A handle. More parts. Right, what do I have? I have fancy new router lift. There's not actually much to it. I have a few tools and a manual. I now want to just see which router I'm going to use. To be honest, I don't know. Don't worry, it was already unplugged. I'll just get the cable out of the way. Just having a quick look. And it appears I can see onto they line up, so we get this plate out. For those that complained of me throwing out the manual for my miter saw, I've still got it. The difference here is I haven't used this version of a lift before. So for those that don't know, Carbatec is an Australian-New Zealand company, mainly based in Australia. Oops, too far, bugger. Mainly based in Australia, but there's a branch here in New Zealand. They supply most of the top quality woodworking equipment, and they have their own brand, which is usually a rebranded version of another, a major brand of something. And this is actually a rebranded version. Oh, I can't think of the name of the rebranded version this one is. So, here's the mounting plate. Pretty. Right, now. Put these blasted things back in. Right. To be open, I paid for this out of my own money. There's no sponsor or anything. And I will be buying either the Kreg router table or the Carbatec one. They're both exactly the same price and they're both very, very similar. So I don't really know which one to buy just yet. At the moment I'm just seeing if I can get it to fit my current router, which I have. Pretty easy to put together. And with all those holes, I would suggest it would be able to do 90% of routers. So the router table, this just fits into it, which I don't have at, as I said, I don't have at the moment, and I will be purchasing. I just want to get more into my routering and get more accurate router cuts than I have in the past. So anyway, there it is, it's all in, the router's installed onto it. I now will have to upgrade my router platform here until I get the actual router table. Whether I make a video on that or not, I don't know, because it will be a very, very short term. I have plans on getting the router table within the next couple of months. So whether I actually use it between now and then, I don't know. Seems to be very well made anyway, and I am so far pretty happy. I haven't actually decided whether to keep this router on it or install one of these two or get a new router. I'm looking at the DeWalt router to actually install it underneath it permanently. One that's not actually a plunge router, because what actually happens is the maximum height you can get with a plunge router is not a lot, due to the fact that it's got all this extra thickness that's got to come through. I mean, it's still usable, but I am considering, and to be honest have been for a long time, a new router, one that's not a plunge router. Forward to that in the near future. Anyway, thanks for watching. It was just a very quick video of an unpacking. Nothing spectacular, but hey, it's still a video and I still haven't tidied up. But you guys are used to that now, so sweetness. Sure. Yes. Right. Okay. Very interesting. I have no idea. I know what the other bits are for, but just not this one. It is a screw or a bolt in a sleeve. Yes. Sure. Okay. Very, very interesting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.